Hey, what's going on everybody? Casey from BetaTechTV here. And today I have a very special package. My 2020 iPhone SE has finally arrived in the mail, and it's time to unbox it. So, let's get started. I'm gonna use my knife here. Open up the tape. I guess we only need to open one end. And let's see. Of course it's... Why wouldn't it be the wrong way? Boom. There it is. 128 gig, product red. Let's unbox it. This is my first ever new Apple device, really. Currently rocking my OnePlus 6T that I'm gonna trade in once we do this. A little sad that I got dinged up, but it's whatever. So, here we go. We got our nice designed by Apple in California booklet with some product red documentation. Now, the packaging and the pamphlet says that it supports AIDS research. That is typically correct for all product red devices and accessories whenever, but this one specifically is helping COVID relief. So I liked that they were doing that for this specific one. But you got our Apple stickers, our SIM eject tool, little welcome to iPhone, and here we go, the device itself. Ooh. That is a nice color. That red band is amazing. Let's set that there for a moment. And we have our standard lightning ear pods, normal lightning cable, and our 5-watt USB adapter. Set that off to the side. So this phone is basically like an iPhone 8, except the Apple logo's moved down. It's got an A13 Bionic chip, which is the same chip that's used in the 11 and 11 Pro, which I think is amazing because this phone starts at $399. I have the $449 128 gig model. It's an extra $50 to bump it up from the base 64 gig storage to 128, and then another 100 for the 256. My current phone is a 128, so I figured, $50 extra is not that bad in terms of, Apple pricing. But, the same screens for iPhone 8 will work on this if it ever does break, which is nice to know. It does have wireless charging, no headphone jack, but what can you really ask for in 2020 from Apple, of all people? So let's turn it on. And I have a wireless charger right here, so we can test that out first thing. And let's see, I'm almost at full battery. And wow, that's immediate. That works instantly. Amazing. The OnePlus 6T doesn't have wireless charging natively, but I had bought a little adapter pad that sits in between the case and the phone, and it was kind of hit or miss, and the other day it finally died, so I'm kind of glad that this one has it without needing an adapter. So yeah, that's basically it. That's our first look iPhone SE. Full review coming later, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this phone. Catch you guys in the next one.